In chapter 14, now we will discuss about the formation of image in spherical mirror. So, spherical mirrors means what? Two types of mirrors are there, concave and the convex mirror. Okay, so we are discussing these two mirror. The reflecting surface of spherical mirror is curved. So, the shining stainless steel spoon can serve as one. तो आपने स्पून देखा होगा कि उसका कर्व शेप होता है. As you observe it carefully, you will find that the back of the spoon curves outward and serve as a convex mirror backward from the back side, where the front side of the spoon which curves inward and it is hollow from the inside. So that's why it is served as a convex mirror. So here you can see it, a concave means inside, आप जिससे खाते हो वो, and here convex means ulta. Okay, that you have to put a opposite of this side. If you look at the concave side of the spoon, you will see your inverted image. That in case of concave you can get the inverted, in case of convex side you will get the erect image. The convex side of the spoon on the other hand shows an erect image that you can try at your home also, okay, with the help of the spoon. What happens when you take the spoon for or bring it close? आपको नज़दीक लेके लानी है. Do you see any image in the set of image? No. Will you? We will now see with the help of these activities how the image is formed. See, this is called as the center of this mirror, okay, and the line that is passing through the center of this mirror is called as a principal axis, that is the epidemic is given. Okay, now we will discuss formation of image in a concave mirror. So here what we are doing, here we are taking the mirror, here is the object. Now we will look the image on this plane figure. तो how we are looking here, the image would be the real, it is उल्टा मतलब inverted है, राइट, एंड द डिसमिस इमेज मतलब बहुत छोटी इमेज आपको मिलेगी. तो कैसे होगा यहाँ पे? सो हियर इज इट इज व्हाट, concave mirror is there. Here object we have put, so from this object the light is going to pass. Now these two rays are going to meet at a simple point, that is the F. So here this much size of image would be formed. ओके, तो इट वुड बी द स्मॉलर, आपको दिख रही है बहुत छोटी लग रही है, वो उल्टी भी दिखेगी आपको, राइट, बट इट इज ऑन द सेम साइड. सो वी कैन से इट इज अ रियल इमेज. ओके, इट इज अ रे डायग्राम ऑफ दिस फिगर. सो वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट द इमेज फॉर्म हियर इज इन्वर्टेड, रियल एंड डिसमिस, बहुत छोटी होगी, स्मॉलर देन द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इन नेचर. नाउ पार्ट 2 रिप्रेजेंट द रे डायग्राम ऑफ एन इमेज दस फॉर्म. सो now students, here what we are taking, now here we are moving the light candle closer to the mirror, mirror के नज़दीक रख रहे. now we are going to observe on the diagram. so what will become, here also we are getting the inverted diagram, right, it would be the real, उल्टा होता है मतलब it is a real image, and it is magnified मतलब बड़ी image आपको मिलेगी. so here is the ray diagram, here we have put the image, here we have put the object near to the sphere, right. now these rays are going to the mirror and coming back and meeting at the point F, right. here both the rays from here to here and from here to here, these are intersecting at a point. so from here you have to go to the principal axis. so this is the image, तो ये object है और ये image है, तो बड़ी दिख रही है आपको. so here we are getting the image that is more than the object, so it is a magnified image. उल्टी दिख रही है मतलब inverted, and it would be the same side, so it is a real image. now again we are putting the object nearer, more closer to the concave mirror. so here we can observe that we have put the object more nearer to the mirror. so what will become, here we are getting the image, but on the other side, so it will be the virtual image. इरेक्ट का मतलब वो सीधी मिलेगी, एंड द मैग्नीफाई मतलब ये बहुत बड़ी आपको दिखेगी. ओके, so this is all about the concave mirror. so in this last part we will get the image back side of the mirror, it would be the virtual and the erect image. Now students, we will discuss the formation of image in the convex lenses. Okay, so first convex mirror. So first what we are doing here, we are putting the convex lens. Okay, and here we are putting the object here, right? The rays are coming back and we are getting the image on the other side. So it would be the virtual image. A virtual image is always erect and it is smaller than the object. So it is the image and it is the object size. Okay, so it is a very small, you can see over here. Now students, we will discuss the how to distinguish between a plane mirror, concave and the convex mirror. So what is the difference between these three? So first of all, plane mirror, concave mirror and the convex mirror can be distinguished on the basis of the image. तो कैसे डिफर होता है कि वो कैसी इमेज हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं. They form when the object is placed quite close to them. Under such conditions, now three are given. First is for plane mirror. The plane mirror always form the virtual and the erect image of the same size of that object. It would be the always same size. Okay. A concave mirror forms, remember this. Okay. The concave mirror forms a virtual, erect and magnified image. बड़ी होंगी. Okay. Erect होंगी and the virtual होंगी. Whereas a concave mirror forms a virtual, erect and dismiss. बहुत छोटी image आपको मिलेगी that you can observe over here. Okay, always if you are putting closer to the closer object to the sphere, then you can see the dismiss मतलब very small image. Okay, now we will discuss the uses of different kinds of mirror. So first we are going for the uses of plane mirror. So plane mirrors are mainly used as looking glasses, जैसे हम देखते हैं. They also use in the solar cookers, kaleidoscope and periscope. तो वहाँ पे हम plane mirror use करते हैं. These are the uses of plane mirror. Now second is concave mirrors. So concave mirrors are used as a reflectors in the headlights of automobiles. So we are using as a reflectors. They are also used as compact or sharing mirror as they form magnified and the erect image. Saving में जो use होता है that is used as a concave mirror. For the same reason, concave mirrors are also used by the doctors to examine ear, nose, throat and the eyes. वो बहुत छोटे होते हैं, इसको बड़ी इमेज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए doctors are using the concave mirrors. Dentists also use concave mirrors to see enlarged image of the teeth that is seen in this figure. In short, it is a magnified glass. It is working as a magnifying glass, concave mirror. Okay. Now we will discuss the convex mirror. Uses of convex mirror. It can be used to view a much larger area than would be possible with a plane mirror. The image form is very small in the size and the erect. That is the side glass of the car or vehicle. Because the image that is formed in the small in size, but it वो सीधी दिखेगी आपको. Therefore, they are used in the rear view or side view mirrors in cars and the scooter or any other automobiles. Okay, it is used as a side glass of our vehicle. Now some questions are there. Try to get the answers of these questions. Okay.